Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to unblock Roblox on a school Chromebook easily. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your VPN provider. Now, wait for your VPN provider to finish loading. Once VPN provider finish loading, this time input roblox.com/home over at your internet browser. And that's it. As you have seen, roblox.com has now loaded in your school Chromebook. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.